Hi, I'm Marta and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing the CCC with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. CCC is a collab between Tammy and I, and we challenge you to dress your dolls the same way we're dressing ours, or make a costume, or just pick a doll and show it. And then between Tammy and I, and only between Tammy and I, it's actually a contest, a sewing contest or a fashion contest. We are doing 1990. I gotta tell you, that was a hard one for me. I don't know. If you said Renaissance or, I don't know, that sort of thing, pirate, okay, but 1990, well, this is what I came up with my little Daisy doll. Daisy always gives the peace sign, and Daisy does not have her face customized because she goes everywhere. She rides in front of my bike on the gritty trail, and we take her all kinds of places, so I have to be able to wash her a lot. She's always given the peace sign as she goes down the trail. So I made this little costume outfit, I guess it is. I actually text my daughter-in-law and got a hold of Allison from the Gilly Monster and asked them, what am I gonna make? So Allison sent me a bunch of pictures, and my daughter-in-law, I sent her a picture of a pattern. She said, not that one, but this and this. I'm not sure in the end, Jen, if I used what you said not to or not, but here is my 1990s. I don't have a skateboard for my Blythe dolls. Somewhere I have inline skates I would have liked to have found for my Barbie dolls. I don't know where. I was lucky to find the little what Carrie from Ink Pad's Play Pad calls chucks. I call them tennis shoes. I did dig those out, and oh, did I dig. Anyway, so here's what I did with the high ponytail and the neon colors and the bike. My son and his wife, who were teenagers at the time, rode their bikes everywhere. She had the coolest specialized bike. I loved it. Anyway, if you would please vote 1 through 10, 10 being high, not only on my fashions and doll and setup, but also Tammy's. No one else's, just the two of us. But please go visit anyone who uses the hashtag below and see all of the 1990s dolls and or fashions. Thank you for watching. Tammy, as always, thank you for this challenge. My sewing machine and I actually got along, and I was able to sew the double knit on my machine, which is a big deal. It usually spits it out or eats it up or something. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a vote, leave a comment, and subscribe.